Matrix is efficiency for our clients. We take care of the systems, we take care of the operations, and we let them focus on their business.
Technology goes hand in hand with every solution that is being provided by broker-dealers.
We have the technology, we have the network, and we have the support services. The level of expertise of our people with regard to the products, with regard to the business functionality, that works its way all the way into our code.
Matrix Applications offers efficiency and streamlined solutions in the post-trade space.
Helping our clients succeed is our success, and what we really mean by that is helping them streamline their basic processes and get rid of operational inefficiencies. We don't do transactions with our partners, we build relationships.
We view our clients as partners, and their success is our success.
So please reach out to us if you'd like to be a partner.